Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Kelsey. So as you can see by the towel on my head, I have just gotten out of the shower, my hair is wet, and I just kind of decided I kind of wanted to do a get ready with me. I noticed I haven't done like any skincare or makeup related or hair related videos on my channel in a while. So today we're going to do a full get ready with me. We're going to do skincare routine, we're going to do makeup, we're going to do my hair. And by the way, I have the window open. It is springtime. If you hear the birds chirping, that's just part of the aesthetic of this video. So we're gonna start off with my skincare. Now, I do like most of it in the shower, so I'm just gonna show you what products I use. By the way, this is not sponsored. Just the next 3 products are all from the same brand, so not sponsored, but they are all from Caudalie. I really like their skincare. So I wash my face with this. This is the Caudalie Instant Foaming Cleanser. It's moisturizing grape and purifying sage, which is really nice. And then I exfoliate it. It's like a little physical exfoliant from Caudalie. I really like this one. This is their deep cleansing exfoliator for all skin types. And then this is all from the same like grape line as well. And then I also use this mask. This is their instant detox mask for like impurities. So starting off my makeup routine, I like to moisturize my face. I'm going to be using the Kora Organics. This is their Noonie Glow face oil. I really like starting off my makeup with a face oil, especially right now in the winter when my skin is really dry. I mean, I do the same thing in the summer, so I can't say especially in the winter, but it just makes my makeup look really glowy underneath. So I'm going to start by putting my face oil on, and then I'm going to put this on. I did try this new product recently. I wanted to like experiment with my tinted moisturizers because I feel like I always use the same like 2 products for like the past 3 years. So I've tried this Bobbi Brown tinted moisturizer, and I've actually been really liking it. Kora Organics is Miranda Care's skincare line. She is such an amazing model. She's like one of my favorites. I'm completely in love with her. Just kind of massage that into my face. Give me like a little, pretend I'm at the spa, close my eyes. Okay, and then back to reality. I'm gonna put this on. Now I usually will use, let me see, I don't even have it here. Something kind of like this, but not exactly, like a flat top brush. Or I will just use my fingers, which is probably what I'm going to do right now. By the way, this is in the shade Extra Light Tint that I'm using. So today we are getting ready to go absolutely nowhere. I am taking some pictures today, which is why I decided to go with the tinted moisturizer. But yeah, I was like, let's film and get ready with me. And my mom was like, what are you getting ready for? Where are you going? And I was like, nowhere. This thing keeps falling off my head. But now I'm going to do under eye concealer. This is my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. I've had this thing forever and I still love this concealer. So just kind of, oh, this is hard. I don't have a mirror. Okay, I just said I don't have a mirror as I was just holding one. So I basically just do a little dot under here. And then I also do it in the corner because I find like the corner of my eyes get really dark. I don't know why. Like right there, I have like a pretty dark spot. So I do that. And then I just blend it with my finger as well. We're going to talk about this. This product, I probably mentioned this before, one of my favorite makeup products in the world. It's the Chanel blush in number 20. These little stick blushes come in a few different shades, but I use number 20. So typically my everyday routine is just these 2 products. I'll moisturize my face, put on some under eye cream, I dot this on my cheeks, and I use the same color on my lips. Done. Maybe I'll curl my lashes if I feel like really fancy, but that's actually my everyday routine. So this is my everyday like work routine. Like if I'm gonna be like filming a video or at least like going out to lunch or taking photos or something, then I'll do like this amount of makeup that I'm showing on camera, but usually my everyday is like this. So next step is the Chanel blush. So yeah, I put a lot and you're probably gonna be like, that's a lot, but it's not. It blends in like really pretty. So I take like either my fingers, I'll go like that, or I take a little brush like this and I just kind of like, the brush gives it more of like an airbrushed, really blended effect. Like sometimes the heat of my fingers will like melt it into my skin. So it just depends on what I'm feeling. And I bring it over my nose a little bit. Like I've been sun-kissed, even though I'm like basically blending into the background right now. I'm so pale. Okay, I'm gonna do like a second coat. I like a lot of blush. I don't know, I feel like it gives life to my face, especially since, like I said, I'm not wearing any fake tanner and I don't have bronzer, because I feel like when I am really pale, and then I put bronzer on, it makes my face look a little bit dirty. So blush is like how I get like color and like liveliness onto my skin. And then I'll also go ahead and take this a little bit and put it on my lips. So it just kind of like glides on. So then for a little bit of highlight, I'm gonna take this Hourglass. Ooh, it got really bright. Let me turn that down a bit. The sun like just came out and it was so bright. Okay, I'm gonna use this Hourglass. This is my little highlighter stick. This is in the shade Champagne Flash. And I'm just gonna put like a little bit of this on my nose, the tip of my cheekbones, my cupid's bow. Oh my gosh, I forgot to do my eyebrows. We're gonna do my eyebrows. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter. So I have this is also Hourglass. I love Hourglass. I'm gonna use their clear brow gel and kind of just brush my brows into shape. But I kind of just like that like natural, messy, fluffy look. So I don't really do anything to them. I let them grow. And I do I just needed to let her finish. So I take my brow pencil and I just kind of do a line underneath the shape that I naturally have, and then I brush it up to like blend it in and make it look soft. And I don't go outside my natural shape either, because then I feel like it looks like very obvious that you filled in your eyebrows. And I like to just have people pretend, like I want it to look like, yeah, my eyebrows just look like that, you know? Now what we're gonna do, this is my holy grail product. Like, you know that whole like question, oh, if you were stranded on a desert with only 3 things, this would be one of them. I feel like it's so universally perfect. This is the Avene Thermal Spring Water. So I'm gonna spray this in my face. Now, second to last step, basically, is I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm gonna curl my lashes, and then here's my little trick with mascara. So sometimes I like the big, full, like flirty lash look, and I'll put on mascara. But for my everyday makeup look, like I said, either I won't wear mascara, or what I do, my other favorite option is I'll take a mascara that's basically empty. Or if you don't have a mascara that's basically empty, get like a little bit of tissue and like wipe like 90% of the product off the brush, okay? So it's like almost dry. And it gives the most like natural, like wispy little look. I love it. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Full Fat Lashes, and I've gone through this whole bottle. Like I said, the brush is almost dry. There's like nothing on it, but they just look so full and fluffy. I think that's like the perfect word to describe it. So I'm gonna curl my lashes. This is the Lancome Lash Curler, by the way, my favorite lash curler. You have to really work it and wiggle it and swirl it, because like I said, it's dry, so it might like take a hot minute to get them looking nice and get some product on there. I also love using, this is a black mascara, so this is totally not gonna go with the tip I'm about to say, but I love using brown mascara. That's my favorite thing ever. I feel like it just really complements like most people's eye colors, and it just looks a lot more natural. And I feel like it gives this cool, like just, I don't know, fun effect to your eye. Okay, and my lashes are done. So now to finish off my lips, I do have the like stick blush on, but if I like it to be a little bit glossy, which I usually do, I'm gonna use this Jouer Essential Hydrating Lip Oil. Now this is actually a really, really new product. I'm not even sure if this is out yet. Like a clear gloss or a lip oil, something like that, right on top. And then just air dry it. And okay, so now we're gonna move on to my hair. I took it out of the towel. I would say it's like 75% dry. And the look I'm gonna do with it today, I'll put some pictures on screen. It's probably like my most requested little hair tutorial. And it's really, really simple. So while my hair is at this point where it's like almost dry, but not exactly, I'm gonna put a little bit of hair oil in it because my hair does get a little bit frizzy and dry. So this is the Jizu Honey Infused Hair Oil. And I'm gonna do like 2 full droppers of this in my palm, and then I'm just gonna like scrunch it just like that, and like mainly get the fronts because I feel like those get the frizziest, and just kind of put it everywhere. Bumble and Bumble sent this to me. This is their BB Glow. It is actually a heat protectant, and this is also like a honey product, so it's like 2 honey based hair products. So I'm gonna coat my hair in that. Probably a little bit too much, but like I said, it just feels so good. So I'm gonna be using this. Basically just get your thickest wand. This one is the 3-in-1 from Numi, so it comes with like 3 different sizes, like a really skinny one. The smaller your wand is, like the tighter your curl is going to be. So this is gonna give that more loose, kind of almost like a big blowout sort of curl, rather than like a tight, nice one, or like the medium ones are more like a little beach wave. These I really like for like those big like barrel rolls, almost like you left them in curlers or something. Not curlers, rollers. But I don't really like to use like blow dry or like extra heat on my hair, so I'm just gonna let this air dry, and then I'm gonna get this heated up, and then I'll be back. Okay, so now my hair is dry. As you can see, my hair has a little bit of texture. Don't really matter about what your hair looks like before you start the look. So if you have texture, you don't need to straighten it. If it already is straight, you're fine. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get started. I'm going to part it in the middle. Now the thing is, I part it in the middle. Even if you do like to do the whole like sweep to the side thing, which I do with this look, still part it in the middle because it gives you like a lot of volume and like a nice big like bumpy oomph so you can have like big hair, you know? Okay, got that piece there. So basically what I'm gonna do, got my big barrel, I'm gonna take, now I do this kind of messily, honestly it doesn't matter, like sometimes I can do this look in like 15 minutes, I just grab a random section, so you don't have to be too perfect about it. I'll take about this big of a section. Is that a 1-inch section? I'm not even sure. Like I said, I just randomly grab stuff. But for this look, I like to go all the way to the end and I just hold it, I don't know, I don't even count. I hold it for maybe like 5 seconds. If it's like a bigger piece that I grab, I'll hold it for a little bit longer, maybe 10 seconds. But yeah, it'll just sort of look like that. I'm gonna do that with all of these pieces. Grab another piece. Okay. So again, my piece is like that big. I'm gonna wrap it all the way to the end. So now this is what the hair looks like. It doesn't look that bad, but it doesn't look cute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it all upside down. I'm gonna run my fingers through it like this. Just kind of like brush it out and then like I scrunch. See that? Brush and scrunch. And then I go like that and put it to the side. And then that's the look. Okay. And then that's the look. Very, very simple. It like almost looks really similar to my hair before this. Honestly, like it looks really similar to what my natural hair looked like. Just, I don't know, it looks a little bit more like the curls are like cohesive and like, I don't know, I like the volume it gives. But as you can see, it gives like a nice, like I said, a good amount of volume up top when you like do it in the middle part and then flip it over. So yeah, so I think this hair looks really, really cute and you guys are always commenting for hair tutorials. Every time I like do a YouTube video and my hair is like this, or when I post a selfie, you guys are always like, how do you do your hair like that? So yeah, I just really love this look. It's really simple, honestly, like once you get the hang of it, this literally only takes me maybe about like 10 to 12 minutes to do. And you can like even do little like updos with this. Like do little, like something like that. Like I do like little ponytails or like little buns. Like where's my clip thing? Where did I put it? Here it is. Okay. Like I'll use these and I'll like do my hair like this, like really messy and just like have little pieces down to like, well that's like a big chunk, but sometimes it looks fun like that and just do little things like that. Or like honestly this looks really good for like ponytails. Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me skincare, makeup, hair, everything. Like I said, I'm not even gonna bother getting dressed because I'm literally going nowhere today. I'm probably gonna stay home, clean up this whole mess of products, maybe take some Instagram pictures now that I'm like ready, and that's about it. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up to let me know. If you want to see more videos like this and also fashion videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want, make sure to check out my Instagram. I will be posting more looks that I do on there and also like outfits and stuff like that. So you can go follow me on my Instagram. I love you guys so, so much and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.